Contingency theory. 1. Definition, concept. Contingency theory is an organizational concept asserting that there is no universal method for organizing a corporation, leading a company, or making decisions. Instead, the optimal approach depends on internal and external factors. This theory, supported by empirical research, suggests that effective leadership varies across situations and that leaders must be adaptable to different circumstances. Peters, Hartke, and Pohlman, 1985. Strube and Garcia, 1981. The contingency approach has been expanded upon by various researchers, including Fiedler and Morgan, examining factors such as leadership style, situational control, and stakeholder management. Fiedler, 1993. 2. How to apply. Now, let's discuss how to apply contingency theory to organizations and individuals. Organizations. Assess internal and external factors and adapt leadership styles, organizational structures, and decision-making processes accordingly. Be flexible, shifting between relational and task-oriented approaches based on the situation. Identify environmental challenges, industry trends, and employee dynamics, and tailor strategies to these factors. This enhances effectiveness, responsiveness to change, and navigation of complex and competitive markets, fostering a more resilient and adaptive organization. Individuals. Recognize that there isn't a one-size-fits-all approach to problem-solving or decision-making. Assess personal strengths, weaknesses, and specific circumstances. Understand the context and adapt your approach accordingly, improving effectiveness in various situations. Be more task-oriented in some instances and relationship-oriented in others. Developing flexibility allows for better navigation of life's complexities, responding to change, and achieving personal and professional goals more effectively. 3. Conclusion. In conclusion, contingency theory is a valuable framework for understanding and responding to different situations in both organizational and personal settings. By embracing flexibility and adaptability, we can improve our decision-making skills and achieve greater success. Organizational theory.